Welcome. In this video, I am going to solve this particular question. So here the question says, find the values of a and b if 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 minus square root of 3 is equal to a plus b square root of 3. So we have been given this equation, and from this equation we have to find what is the value of a and what is the value of b. So let us start solving this question. So we are having this equation. So this is the left hand side of the equation and this is the right hand side of the equation. On the left hand side of the equation, I am having 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 minus square root of 3. Now this expression which is there on the left hand side of the equation, in this expression, the denominator is a irrational number. In this expression, the denominator is 2 minus square root of 3. And 2 minus square root of 3 is a irrational number. So what I am going to do is, I am going to rationalize the denominator of this expression. So I will rationalize the denominator of the expression which is on the left hand side of this given equation. So let us rationalize the denominator of this expression. So I will write down this expression. So 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 minus square root of 3. So in this expression, the denominator is a irrational number. The denominator is 2 minus square root of 3 and 2 minus square root of 3 is a irrational number. So I will convert this irrational denominator into a rational denominator. So for that, I will do rationalization of denominator of this expression. So let us do it. So to rationalize the denominator of this expression, I will multiply the denominator of this expression with 2 plus square root of 3. So I am multiplying the denominator of this expression with 2 plus square root of 3. And since I am multiplying the denominator of this expression with 2 plus square root of 3, I will multiply the numerator of this expression also with 2 plus square root of 3. So this upon this multiplied to this upon this. So let us solve this. So the numerator will be 2 plus square root of 3 multiplied to 2 plus square root of 3. Now 2 plus square root of 3 multiplied to 2 plus square root of 3, I can write it as 2 plus square root of 3 whole square. Because 2 plus square root of 3 is multiplied to itself 2 times. So I can write it in power form. 2 plus square root of 3 whole square. So the numerator becomes 2 plus square root of 3 whole square. Upon, now the denominator is 2 minus square root of 3 multiplied to 2 plus square root of 3. So 2 minus square root of 3 is multiplied to 2 plus square root of 3. So this is in the form of x minus y multiplied to x plus y. And x minus y multiplied to x plus y is x square minus y square. So therefore 2 minus square root of 3 multiplied to 2 plus square root of 3 will become 2 whole square minus square root of 3 whole square. X minus y multiplied to x plus y is x square minus y square. So the denominator becomes 2 square minus square root of 3 whole square. Now let us solve this. So the numerator is 2 plus square root of 3 whole square. So what is 2 plus square root of 3 whole square? Let us expand it. So it is in the form of x plus y whole square. And x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2 into x into y. So therefore 2 plus square root of 3 whole square will become 2 whole square plus square root of 3 whole square plus 2 multiplied to 2, that is multiplied to square root of 3. So x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2 into x into y. So 2 plus square root of 3 whole square becomes 2 whole square plus square root of 3 whole square plus 2 into square root of 3. So this is our numerator. Now what is the denominator? The denominator is 2 whole square minus square root of 3 whole square. Now 2 whole square is 4. 2 square is 4. So 4 minus square root of 3 whole square. Square root of 3 whole square is 3. So the denominator becomes 4 minus 3. Now, in the next step, now let us simplify this numerator. So 2 whole square plus square root of 3 whole square plus 2 into square root of 3. So 2 whole square is 4 plus square root of 3 whole square is 3 plus 2 into square root of 3. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 into square root of 3. 4 into square root of 3 is 4 square root of 3. So this is the numerator upon the denominator is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now the next step. The numerator is 4 plus 3 plus 4 square root of 3. So 4 plus 3 plus 4 square root of 3 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 plus 4 square root of 3. So 7 plus 4 square root of 3. This is the numerator upon the denominator is 1. So 7 plus 4 square root of 3 upon 1. So we started with this expression which was having a irrational denominator. And after doing this operation we are getting 7 plus 4 square root of 3 upon 1. Now in this expression the denominator is 1 and 1 is a rational number. So we have converted the denominator which was earlier an irrational number into a denominator which is now a rational number. So we have rationalized the denominator of this given expression. So 7 plus 4 square root of 3 upon 1. Now this I can simply write it as 7 plus 4 square root of 3, because 7 plus 4 square root of 3 upon 1 is 7 plus 4 square root of 3. So this is what I get. So this expression, when I rationalize its denominator, it becomes 7 plus 4 square root of 3. So now this equation I can write it as, okay, I will write it over here. So this expression I have rationalized its denominator and I am getting 7 plus 4 square root of 3. So this expression is 7 plus 4 square root of 3. That is equal to, now on the right hand side of the equation I am having a plus b square root of 3. So a plus b square root of 3. So 7 plus 4 square root of 3 is equal to a plus b square root of 3. So from here I can compare and I can get the value of a and b. So a is 7 and b is 4. So 7 plus 4 square root of 3, that is equal to a plus b square root of 3. So if I compare the left hand side of this equation and the right hand side of this equation, a is 7 and b is 4. And if you have not understood, let me explain to you how I got this. So I am having 7 plus 4 square root of 3, that is equal to a plus b square root of 3. So a plus b square root of 3. So you can just compare. So if you compare, this plus sign and this plus sign superimposes on each other. This square root of 3 and this square root of 3 superimposes on each other. Now this b will superimpose upon 4. So therefore the value of b is 4. And this a will superimpose upon 7. So the value of a is 7. So if you keep this expression upon this expression, the plus will superimpose on plus, square root of 3 will superimpose upon square root of 3. This b will superimpose upon 4, so b is equal to 4, and this a will superimpose upon 7, so a is equal to 7. So that is how I got this. So we have to find what is the value of a and b. So the value of a is 7, the value of b is 4. And with that, I have solved this particular question.